In this video, we will show the best hair regrowth products for men and women available to buy. At number 10. Matrix by FBB Deep Smoothing Combo. This shampoo smooths frizzy, unruly, medium to coarse hair with the silky serum of camellia flower seed to continuously control frizz in hot, humid seasons while replenishing hair's moisture during dry, cool seasons. Matrix Biolage Deep Smoothing Conditioner softens. At number 9. Den of Man Hair Growth Inhibitor Spray. Using this you will witness a magic made from all natural, plant-derived extracts, contains only natural moisturizers and preservatives, and can be used by both men and women on any problem areas. It is safe to use anywhere on the body after any hair removal method. At number 8. ST Botanica Biotin and Collagen Hair Conditioner. Its anti-hairfall ingredient blend thickens existing hairs and stimulate dormant hair follicles into growing newer, healthier hair. Formulated without parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, and harmful chemicals. Ideal for all types of hair and the perfect choice for both men and women. At number 7. Vijay Ayurvedic V-Gain Capsules. A blend of Ayurvedic herbs is beneficial for good health and growth of the body. It is a supplement to your daily diet. It provides the necessary nutrition to the body. It is useful when your child is not having a proper and healthy diet. At number 6. Urbangabrew Hair Growth Serum Oil. Are you worried about losing your hair? Then the intensive super product for your hair is available here. This is designed to help improve hair density, thickness and fullness, so you can love your hair again. At number 5. Potentvita Biotin Capsules. This is the type of protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails. To maintain the level of biotin in your body, Potentvita Biotin Supplement is the ideal choice. At number 4. The Legend Organic Red Onion Shampoo. Onion is very good for hair follicle nourishment and help restore lost nutrients to your scalp. It antibacterial properties and help fight infections of the scalp. This in turn helps reduce hair fall as scalp infection can cause massive loss of hair. At number 3. Knorr Secrets Organic Hair Growth Serum. This hair shine serum transforms the appearance of dry, damaged hair into a luxuriant mane. What's more is that this frizz control hair product is great for straight and curly hair. It can be used daily by both men and women. At number 2. IZZORI Natural Red Onion Hair Oil. Give your hair the nutrients it craves. Growth and shines nourishing oils absorb quickly, making it a perfect hair moisturizer for those dried out, tired ends. Use as a scalp treatment, hair mask for damaged hair on days when you want to show your hair some extra love. At number 1. Newish Red Onion Oil. This in turn helps reduce hair fall as scalp infections can cause massive loss of hair. They are naturally potent antioxidants, which is why they help reverse the effects of premature graying.